All right, so I just did some recording with the llamas in Jackson, and I think Black Key Cat felt he was being left out, so he wanted to get down and get in the stall with the llamas. All right, buddy, come on. All right, there you go, Black Key Cat. So I just gave them their hay, and they're having some, I guess, dessert because they had their pellets for their main course. Hey, Mooney, come back here. Mooney. Mooney's going in where we keep the Jeeps. You know, most people have barns full of animals. I have to admit, I'm a Jeep guy, and part of my barn holds Jeeps, not just llamas and horses. Every once in a while, I'll leave that door open, and they'll wander out there to the back of the barn where I keep my collection. And they don't really do much. They walk around, they kind of sniff around and look and kind of pay attention and kind of just check stuff out. Folks, this is about as close as you can get to like a camel. Look at these guys. It's like a waterfall of hay right there. It's all about the presentation. If I threw that hay on the floor, they probably wouldn't touch it. But because of the way it's coming out of that feeder, best hay they ever had.